Happy Sunday, everyone. I wanted to do a little Sunday reset together today and kind of talk through what I usually do to get ready for the week. It's also a new month and I haven't really planned out May yet. I haven't done my April reflection, so I just wanted to kind of sit down with you guys and talk through how I do this. You'll see some overlays of how I'm doing it on my iPad, using GoodNotes and using Notion and kind of planning out my to-dos for the day and the week. So the first thing that I love to do on a Sunday is write a to-do list, and sometimes I do use my physical notepads to do this. But today I'm just gonna go into my 2024 minimal planner and kind of just write my to-dos and plan out my day this way. I do wanna do a lot today. We'll see what I get done, but priority number one is gonna be content creation and getting my launch ready for the spring bookmarks and the spring notepads that you guys have already seen a little sneak peek of. So once my to-dos are done, I'm also gonna plan out the week and actually the month, since it is a new month, and I'm still gonna go in with my 2024 planner. I do have two types of planners. I have a beige planner and a minimal planner, so whatever fits your needs, you guys can go out and check that out. Or you can buy individual templates. I have daily, weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. So once everything is planned, I'm just gonna jump into creating my content and getting ready for my business launch for Your Name the Label. How I usually plan my content is I go on Notion and kind of plan what I have to film and ideas that I have, a little brainstorm, and then I'll plan out when to post it throughout the week. So today I'm trying to film at least 2 TikToks for my fashion Instagram, and getting ready for my business launch, I have to also get content ready for that. Finally, to end off the day, I am gonna do my April reflections. I usually like to do this at night when I'm unwinding, right before I just general journal. So I'll do this and get ready for how I wanna improve for May, and just reflect on the month that I've had, the highs, the lows. I do prefer the 2024 minimal planner for that, but my beige planner has different questions and different prompts. I feel like it's a little bit less of a detailed analysis of your month. So if you do prefer just having like a general overview, then I would suggest that one.